Hey guys, now in this video we are going to look at creating a simple web page redirect. Now in this example I am logged into my Convertri page builder, but this will work for any sort of page builder that you use or any raw HTML. It's all pretty much the same. So in order to do this, we're going to use a simple code snippet, and I will have a link to this below this video in the description. So by all means, once you're finished watching the tutorial, you can go and grab the code snippet. So all we're simply looking at here is this, okay? It's a very simple meta refresh. Now, what we're going to look at editing here is what we have marked in red. So where it says number 1 here, that's simply the number of seconds before the page will redirect to the new page. And the URL in here that we have in red is simply the new destination URL, okay? So there's simply 3 steps involved. Step 1 is change the number 1 here, okay, so it's this, to the number of seconds the page will wait before redirecting to your chosen URL, so the new web page you want to redirect to. Step 2 is change the URL, okay, marked in red here, to the new destination URL. And step 3 is simply place the script, the code snippet, into your header section of your web page, save, and put it live, and this will be running on your site. So let's take a look at this in real time. So I'm coming up into the area in my page where I can actually control this code snippet. So I'm clicking on custom scripts, and in here it says other header scripts. So this is in Convertri in your page builder. Wherever you put the header scripts, that's where you need to go, okay? So I'm going to click on edit here, and you can see it's the first one down here. Now a little bit below this I have my retargeting scripts, but for this example we're just interested in the link redirect. So we can see it's on content equals 1 and the redirect goes to google.com, which is what I have in the doc, okay? So if we save this, let's just take a look at this example. So I'm just going to publish this page, and then we'll take a look at the live page, and afterwards we'll go back and edit it and see how simple it is to update. So that has published. So now let's click on view page. Now we have our page here, and after 1 second it redirects us to google.com, which is exactly what we wanted to happen, okay? Now let's look at editing this script. So we go back into the area of our website where the header script is located, and we go to edit it. Now let's change this to 3 seconds. So I'm simply deleting the number 1 and putting in the number 3. That's all I am doing. And in the URL here, I'm simply going to change it from Google to YouTube. That is all I'm doing. We're going to click save. We're going to click done. And also what I'm going to do here, what I like to usually do is put the URL of your web page in here. Okay, so I'm just going to edit this. You don't need to do this. This is just something I do in case there's an error and the page doesn't redirect. Click on link, and I can simply put it in here. Okay. So that just has hyperlinked this text. So if, for example, when I publish this, if it does not work for some reason, people can still click on the red letters and the red text and go to the page. So let's put our page live by clicking publish. And now that is live, we can preview it. So I'm going to click on view page. Now in the last example, the original example, it redirected to Google. In this example, hopefully if it works, it will take us to YouTube. So we're going to view our page. It should take about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And now we've been brought to YouTube. Perfect. So you can see how easy it is to create these web page redirects using this meta refresh script. It can be put into the header section of any web page, whether you use ClickFunnels, Convertri, Optimize Press, your own HTML scripts. It will work. And you can grab this code by simply going down into the description of this video, and I will have a link either to a blog post or directly to this doc where you can access it. It's literally just a couple of sentences, and again, there's 3 steps. Simply change this to the amount of seconds you want to wait. Change this to the new URL you want to redirect to. And final step is to place it into the header section of your web page. Now, if you are a Convertri user, an extra benefit of this is that you can use it for tracking your links. You can also have your retargeting scripts on this page, for example, your Facebook pixel, your Google pixel, and that way, by having that 1 second redirect, you can actually track anybody that clicks a link from your web page, from your emails or wherever, and they will go on your retargeting list as well. So that is just an extra benefit. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you want, be sure to check out our free workshop that we are running, and you can jump on board and attend the free training. And also do look in the description of the video in order to get a copy of the redirect script so you can use it in your own website. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I look forward to speaking to you in another video.